Hello, I welcome you all back to my platform, even as we look at cosine law under trigonometry. So I'll give you all the formulas that are required of you to use cosine law in an exam. So even as we start discussing about this, I want you to like the video, comment, and don't forget to share. So this is the lesson that we previously did under my online teachings, those people that are under online tuitions with me. So I want to make it simple. I want to summarize this. So even those that are under my online teachings, this will be so beneficial to you. So let's make sure we like the video, share, and comment. So under cosine law, there is one thing that you need to understand. The first thing that you need to get and understand is that we use the cosine law when we are given all three sides. So when you are given all three sides, so this means that we usually say S means a side, side, like this. So we get to use the cosine law when all three sides are given. So each time all three sides are given, just know that you are supposed to use the cosine law. So let's say, for example, this is a question. This is a diagram that you have. So this is, let's say this is A, this is B, this is C. So when all the three sides are given, we mean, let's say this is given 5 centimeters, 8 centimeters, 9 centimeters. So I'll say this is also centimeters, like this. You are given such a question, and you can be taught to find one of the angles which are there. You can be taught to find this angle, you can be taught to find that angle, you can be taught to find that angle, you can be taught to find any angle. So let's say you are taught to find, let's say they are telling you to find A, B, C, like this. So whenever you are taught to find an angle, we consider the letter in the middle. So the letter in the middle, that's the angle which we are taught to find, which is angle what? In this case, angle B. So we are taught to find angle B, which is here. So before anything, you need to know the formula to use. Which formula are you going to use? So there is a particular formula that you need to know whenever you are given all the three sides. So in this case, we know that we are told to find angle B. So you just say cos. You know that it's under cosine law. So cos B is equal to, like this. You add the two sides that are putting the angle in the middle. So you know this is A. When A comes inside here, we've got small letter A. This is C. So when C goes there, small letter C. This is B facing this side, so this is where I've got small letter B, like this. So in other words, distance AB is the same as small letter C. AC is the same as small letter B. BC is just the same as A. So after you say cos B is equal to, you add the two sides that are putting this angle in the middle. So what are the two sides? We've got A and C. So you say A squared plus C squared, like this. So I'm showing you how you can generate the formula. So this is the formula that you need to generate. So then you say minus. Minus, now the side which is opposite to the angle which you are told to find, you are told to find this angle. So the side which is opposite is B. So you say minus B. Don't forget a square like that. Then you say over what? Over 2AC, like this. This is what you need to do. So once you generate the formula, then everything becomes simple and easy. You just now need to substitute, where you say cos B is equal to, cos B is equal to what? What is your A squared? A squared, you check, A squared is here, 8 centimeters. So it's 8, forget about units a bit, plus, what is C squared? C squared is there, 9. So 9 squared minus, what is B squared? 5 squared, like that. Then you say over what? 2 times A, which is 8, times C, which is 9, like this. So this is what you need to do. These are procedures that you need to follow. From here, what's the next thing? You say cos B is equal to, cos B is equal to what? You now substitute now. Let's find the answer there on top. You say 8 squared plus 9 squared minus 5 squared. What answer are we getting? We are getting a 120. So I'm going to say 120 over, what answer am I finding down there? 2 times 8 times 9. What answer? 144. So I say 144. So I say this is now equal to, if I divide there, what answer am I getting? 120 divide 144. What answer am I getting? I'm getting 0.8333. It is just going like that. So now, the step now which I've reached is where I say cos B is now equal to what? 0.8333. It is just going like that. So in the question, you are not told to find cos B. We want to find angle B. So what do? This cos moves to the other side. You just remain with B. So you just remain with B, which is equal to, so B is now equal to what? So when this cos moves to the other side, it becomes cos inverse. So I want to find cos inverse of 0.8333. These threes are just going like that. So finally, where you say now, you now find the B. You can now find the B where you say B is now equal to what? So hope you know how to punch this on your calculator. You get your calculator, you say shift. Some calculators have second function. So you press there, then you go where there is cos like this. Then you're going to see the inverse there, cos -1 on top, 0.8333, just going like that. So the answer that we are going to find, the answer is coming out as 33.576, like this. So I always tell you that you need to put your answers to the nearest O number if you are not told. But you need to make sure that you put them to the nearest O number. So when I say to the nearest O number, you should not include a point. So to the nearest O number, the point is here. Is this number greater than 5? This is a 5. So we put a 1 to a 3. Then you just say, therefore, you were told to find A, B, C. You do this, which is equal to, it is equal to what? Equal to, you put a 1 there, that one becomes 34. You put degrees there. So this is your what? This is your answer. So these are procedures that you need to do. These are things that you need to consider. Hope you've seen how I derived this. Hope you've seen how I answered this. So this can fall on, as long as you know the procedure, no matter how the triangle can be, as long as you know how to generate the formula and how to substitute, everything will be simple to you. So I want you to get this, and I want you to understand this. So we've now found the angle there, which is what? The angle which is 34. We found the angle on B as 34. So let me do this. Let me show you another thing. So we found B. So we've also found B, which is A, B, C, was what? 34 degrees. So the B there was 34 degrees. What if you are told you are now told to find the area of triangle? So I'll say triangle A, B, C. Let's now learn on how to find the triangle. So how can you find the area of a triangle? How can you find the area of a triangle? For you to find the area of a triangle, there are certain things that you need to know and put in place. First thing is the formula. Area of a triangle is given by the formula half BH sine theta. This is just the formula. You need to know it. The B here doesn't mean the base and the height. No. The B and the H are the two sides that are putting theta in the middle. This is what you need to understand. So in this case, we found the angle B there. So there we've got what? That is where we've got our 34. So 34 is there. So what, the B and the H are these two sides. You can say this is B or H. There is no problem. The answer is going to come out. Then the theta here, this is the angle which is there. So you now say area is equal to half times the two sides putting this angle in the middle. We've got 8 and 9. Then you say sine, what's the angle? 34, like that. So when you punch this on your calculator, what answer are you getting? When you punch this on your calculator, you say half, that is 0.5 times 8 times 9 sine 34. What answer are you getting? The answer that we are getting is 20.1309, like that. It is just going. You now conclude and say, therefore, area of a triangle is now equal to, normally we are used in writing answers to 2 decimal places. So writing that one to 2 decimal places, just like this, 1, 3. Instead of writing a 3, you check, is this number after 3 greater than 5 or less than 5? Less than 5. So a 3 will maintain. Say 3 units centimeters squared, like this. You are done. Have you seen the way I've done? So you are done. Just like this, we are done. This is what you need to do. So these are things that you need to make sure that you get them and understand them clearly. You need to understand this. So if you forget a square there, which means you were not doing, or you are not understanding what you were doing. You need to make sure that you get this and understand. So this is all that you need to understand under this. So I'm going to leave you with a question that I want you to practice. I will leave you with a question that you are going to practice. So for those of you that are under my teachings, you submit this in my inbox. You submit this in my inbox. So given a triangle like this, this is a triangle given. This is 60 kilometers. This is 50 kilometers. This is 45 kilometers, like this. This is A, B, C, like this. So this is what I want you to do. The first question, A, I want you to find angle B AC. Secondly, I want you to find area of triangle. Area of triangle A, B, C. So I'll leave you with this question. This is a question that I want you to practice to see that you've understood this. This is the question I'll leave you with. So let us now proceed and look at another part. So we look at another part. The second part is where you are given 2 sides. So you are given 2 sides and 1 angle. You are given 2 sides and 1 angle, like this. So you are given the 2 sides and 1 angle. Not only here, but is a condition. But the 2 sides, but the 2 what? 2 sides should, the 2 sides should put. So you need to make sure that the 2 sides should put the angle, should put the angle in the middle. Should put the angle in the middle. This is what you need to understand. So this one, you need to make sure that you understand it very well. I want you to get this concept. So when you are given two sides, so this we can say two sides like this, a side here and a side there. Angle in the middle like this. So that's when we get to use the what? The cosine law. When you are given the two sides and these two sides are putting this angle in the middle. So how can we represent this? How can we represent this? So you are given a triangle like this. This is a triangle given. So you are given this triangle where you've got this, that one is A, I'll say that one is A, that one is B, that one is C, like this. This is what I want you to get. So you are given the two sides. So let's say you are given that one, that is 60 kilometer. You are given this one as 50 kilometers like this. Then angle is there, which is what? 65 degrees. Have you seen? So this side which is given here and this side which is here, but the angle is where in the middle. So this one, you need to know that we need to apply the cosine law, where we are given the two sides. This is a side, this is also a side. So whenever you are given two sides and these two sides are putting the angle in the middle, which means that you need to apply the cosine law. So I want you to understand this clearly. So when you are given the two sides, these two sides should put the angle in the middle. So I want you to understand this. This is an important part that you need to understand, because when we get to start looking at the sine law, you will be confused. So I want you to understand this. So a question can come in this way, where you are given a side here 8 centimeters, you are given here 5 centimeters. Where is the angle supposed to be? The angle is supposed to be there. That's where the angle is supposed to be. So I want you to understand this clearly. So the angle is supposed to be where? The angle is supposed to be there. So the side here and another side there, the angle should be there. If it is in that manner like this, where you are given a side here and another side there, where is the angle supposed to be? Like this. So when it is like this, you just know that it is falling under the cosine law. And there is a formula that you need to use. So whenever you see such a question, normally when a question comes in this manner, you'll be told to find the length. You'll be told to find the length or distance A, B. This is what you'll be told. You'll be told to find this missing length. So, and which formula are you supposed to use? So you know that this is C facing that. That's where I've got small letter C. This is B facing that. That's where I've got small letter B. This is angle A facing down here. So this is where I've got small letter A like this. Have you seen? This is C facing that one. That's where I've got small letter C. This is A facing down here. This is where I've got small letter A. This is B facing that one. That's where I've got small letter B like this. So I just wanted to explain where these small letters are coming from. In other words, AC is just the same as B. AB is just the same as small letter C, like that. So I want you to understand this. So you want to find AB. You want to find what? AB. AB is just the same as C. So you say C squared is equal to, have you seen? C squared is equal to, you add these two sides. Have you seen? You add the two sides which are given. So that is, we are given A squared plus B squared. So you just add the two sides given. You say minus 2. Then you multiply these two sides, which is A, B. Then you just say cos what? Cos the angle given. You just say cos theta. So that's what you are supposed to do. From here now, you just substitute where you say C squared is equal to. So C squared is equal to what? What is your A squared? A, what is A? 50. So you say 50 squared plus, what is your B? 60. So you say 60 squared minus 2 times what? So you say times A. What is your A? What is your A? 50 times what is your B? 60. Then you say cos the angle. What is the angle? 65. We are given the angle which is 65 degrees. From here now you say what is C squared? C squared is equal to, so you now get your calculator, then you punch everything. You start properly, you say 50 squared plus 60 squared minus 2 times 50 times 60 cos 65. What answer are you getting? This is the answer that we are getting, which is 3564.29043. Like this. Have you seen? Like this. So once you reach here, so these two on the formula, this 2 is a constant. It's part of the formula. So on each and every equation that you need to do, you need to make sure that you put a 2 there. This is part of the formula. So now you say, what is C now? You introduce the square root. You introduce the square root, both sides, which is equal to. So you find the square root of this. So what is the square root of that? We find the square. What is the square root? The square root is 59.70167.862. Like this. Have you seen? This is what I've done. This is what I've done. So you can now conclude and say, therefore, you were taught to find AB. So just say, therefore, AB is now equal to what? 59.70. What are the units? Kilometers. Like this, you are done. Have you seen? You are done. This is what you need to do. These are things that you need to find. So I want you to get this, and I want you to understand this part. This is the simplest part that you need to know and understand. So we now, this is the conclusion of this. Hope you've seen. So with this understanding, you can't fail any question that can come under trigonometry. To be specific, the cosine law. So you need to make sure that you understand each and every part. So let me now give you another question. I'll give you a question that you need to practice under this. So this is exercise 2. If you are following me, that's your exercise 2. Make sure that you follow it clearly. So that's exercise 2. So I'll just be putting diagrams. So this is 8 meters. This is 6 meters. You have this angle here, 70 degrees. This is H, J, Z. We are given that. So what I want you to find is that you find these. First one, find. So A, find H, Z. Secondly, I want you to find area of. So same procedures. Don't say that one was the same thing. Even the triangle here, the area of a triangle, we get to use the same formula that I showed you. So of H, J, Z. These are the questions that I want you to practice. So let's make sure that we practice and go through this week. So this is what we did with my people that are under my online teachings. So, and if you've watched this video on YouTube and you could like to enroll under me, you want to start tuitions with me, you can contact me. You can WhatsApp me on my number. This is the number that I'm currently using. You can contact me on this number. You text. So this is the number. You can text on this number on WhatsApp. So you can use WhatsApp or Telegram. All lessons are conducted via Telegram. So this is my WhatsApp line. I'll also use it on Telegram. This is +26 0971 066747. Thank you so much. Let me know where you are watching me from. Like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So the only people that are supposed to send answers in my inbox are those people that are under my online teachings. So we know where we get to submit. Let's make sure that you answer this week and submit in my inbox. So just this part. This is 6. It's supposed to be 6 meters. There is meter even there, meter. The units should be the same. Thank you so much.